Hello and welcome to our video, where we will be showcasing the top 5 tech trending gadgets of 2023. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, new and innovative gadgets are constantly hitting the market. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 gadgets that are making waves this year. 1. Smart glasses. First up on our list are smart glasses. While they've been around for a few years, the latest models are taking things to the next level. With features like voice commands, augmented reality, and even built-in cameras, these glasses are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. 2. Foldable phones. Next on our list are foldable phones. This technology has been in development for years, but it's finally becoming a reality in 2023. With a foldable screen that can double the size of the phone, these devices are perfect for multitasking on the go. 3. Virtual reality headsets. Third on our list are virtual reality headsets. While they've been available for a few years, the latest models are more advanced than ever before. With higher resolution screens, better graphics, and even haptic feedback, these headsets are bringing immersive gaming and entertainment experiences to a whole new level. 2. Wireless earbuds. Fourth on our list are wireless earbuds. These little devices are perfect for anyone who loves listening to music or podcasts on the go. With advanced noise cancellation technology, long battery life, and seamless connectivity, these earbuds are a must-have for tech enthusiasts. 1. AI assistants. Last but not least, we have AI assistants. From Siri to Alexa, these virtual assistants have been around for a while, but they're getting smarter every year. With the ability to control your smart home devices, order groceries, and even make appointments for you, these assistants are quickly becoming an essential part of everyday life. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 tech trending gadgets of 2023. Whether you're into gaming, productivity, or just love exploring the latest tech, there's something on this list for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.